Conquering the causative passive. Mastering. Have. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on mastering the English language. In today's video, we're going to delve deep into a fascinating part of intermediate grammar, the causative passive voice. Specifically, we'll be focusing on how to use have in the causative passive voice. So buckle up, get your notebooks ready, and let's get started. Causative forms are used when we arrange for someone to do something for us. This could be because we can't do it ourselves, or because we choose not to. When we use have in the causative passive voice, it means that someone else did the action for us. The structure typically follows this pattern: subject plus have plus object plus past participle. Here's a straightforward example. I had my car washed. In this sentence, I arranged for someone else to wash my car. Now, let's look at how to conjugate have in this form. Despite what its name might suggest, the causative passive is fairly simple to conjugate. The verb have itself should be conjugated based on the subject and tense, while the main verb should always be in the past participle form. For instance, if we're talking about a future action, we might say, I will have my house cleaned tomorrow. Now that we understand how to use have in causative passive voice, let's put that knowledge into practice. Here are some exercises that can help you hone your skills. 1. Transform the sentence into a causative form. The plumber repaired my sink. 2. Fill in the blank. I, blank, have. My dog, blank, groom. Yesterday. Remember to write down your answers, and at the end of this video, we'll provide the correct responses. So there you have it. With some practice, you'll master the use of have in the causative passive voice in no time. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take is progress. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll continue to improve. In our next video, we'll tackle the use of get in the causative passive form, so stay tuned for that. But until then, happy studying, and we'll see you next time. Answers to exercises. 1. I had my sink repaired by the plumber. 2. I had my dog groomed yesterday.